Hey everybody, it's Joe with Joe's Phenomenal and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to make homemade blueberry frozen yogurt. Except this recipe is different because it's very low fat, low calorie, and there's no refined sugar. So you ready? Let's get into this. We're going to be making this with our Ninja Foodi Power Blender with the smoothie bowl attachment. If you don't have that blender, that's perfectly fine. You can use any blender that has a single serving cup attachment for it, although your results will kind of vary a little bit. Okay, our first ingredient going in here is our frozen blueberries. Next we put in our monk fruit sweetener, and then we're going to add in our yogurt. Now the key to this is that you're going to want to put it in the freezer for a little bit and get it firm. You don't want it frozen all the way through, otherwise the yogurt isn't going to have the consistency of ice cream. Then we go ahead and put it on the blender, turn it on, and you're going to want to make sure you're in the IQ mode. You can tell that because if you're in IQ, you can see all of the categories over here, and if you're on the manual, those all disappear. So you want it on the IQ, and you're going to want to put it on bowl, and then really all you got to do is start it up. While it's going, make sure you're turning the knob here at the top. That'll help prevent things from getting stuck in the top of the cup here. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks, and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, once that's done, you can open this up and check it for consistency. This is about the way you want it to look. If you'd like to have a little bit of a harder texture, you can put it back in the freezer for about 20 minutes or so, and that'll freeze right up. Okay, I actually put mine into the freezer for about 30 minutes just to harden it up a teeny bit. But now, we are ready to serve. Add a few blueberries on top, and you're ready to serve. If you'd like to try out this recipe, the ingredients and measurements are down in the video description. Also down there you'll find a little bit of additional information about the recipe, like the number of servings, the calorie count, the fat, carbohydrates, and protein. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about us, you could watch a couple more videos here, or you could check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day hanging out with me and watching this video. Once again, my name's Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.